Oh, they're nice, dude.
That is sweet.
Woo! Hell yeah! We need to actually like give an introduction here of what the hell we're doing.
What we're doing here?
Yeah, we're getting rid of these crappy halogen headlights that do nothing. Nothing.
We are installing.
Say hi, Amber. Oh, that's not nice. That's, now you don't get camera time. These bad mama jammers. How many lumens, bud? 13,000? With all of them?
I think these are 1680 lumens each, and I don't know, I can't get a number on those, but even if they are, it comes like 20,000 with the upper bar.
20,000? With your, so your top bar and these together, you're saying it's 20?
At the minimum.
At the minimum? Gotcha. And these look weird because they're like diffuser lights.
Yeah, that's it, SE fog or something.
I don't know what that really means, but I bet you it's badass. Brr. Stock headlights.
Doors open. Hey.
This is stock headlights on a RZR 900. It's halogen headlights. You can't see nothing going down the trails. Here, right here is like a comparison. We can compare next time. So that's high beams. God damn, is it cold out. I bet you when we put these rigids on, you're gonna be seeing up in those trees. Oh yeah, holy snikes. That's 14,000 lumens. That's a Pro Armor light bar, isn't it?
30 inch.
30 inch. That's what she said. All right, let's get back in the warmth. Brr. Hey, your front tire up. Oh, nice. You didn't have to look. What do you need me to do?
These are just barely fingered in there because
that's what she said. Oh my god, you're like that obnoxious kid in school that has drug his desk across the floor. So if you remove the whole front fascia, it makes everything easier apparently.
But I got a bumper on and that makes it hard.
Yeah. Alright. So once you remove the stock headlights, which is what, Nick? That wasn't that hard. How many
No, stock headlights, they're simple to remove.
We didn't record it.
This is hard.
Even though Nick's struggling right now to do something.
3.
3 of these?
Yep. T25.
T25.
You get rid of the springs. He's got to cut the tabs flush. There's 2 tabs on each side.
Tough to cut.
Right here, you can see these tabs right here. Yeah, see how this plane of this? You have to cut that on the same plane and
hang on, yeah, so
you have to cut these on the plane.
right there below Bud's fingers, the thing you gotta cut off. That's what the springs ride on, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
You gotta cut those off because those rigid plates are flat and they're riding right there, so that gives them a flat plane to sit on.
Yeah.
I think that's why they're having you do it as injections, but they say not this one, just those 2.
Oh, only the top 2, not the bottom?
Inside 2.
The inside 2.
Not the outside one.
Oh, alright. So if you're actually watching this for instructional videos, don't do that. Ooh, here they come.
See how it's flat? You're trying to keep that same plane?
Yeah. Oh, alright, I get what you're saying.
Those tabs are going to cut on that. But this one's already still got a 90, so it don't matter, I guess.
So you're cutting the tabs because this is flat. You don't need those no more. But this is the exact same shape as the stock headlight. Did you get it? Or are you struggling?
I'm literally holding this razor blade like this.
Where's the instructional things? Because they made it look super easy.
Oh, with the razor?
They want you to take a bunch of stuff apart. You don't like.
Well, taking this front isn't that hard, except that these bumpers that got those spreader nuts. So
Oh yeah, you can't take that thing off.
you can take them off, but they're
But it's a-
ass and it wears on them. They're not real strong to begin
And if you mess up and freaking have to replace them, it's like $25 a bolt or whatever the hell those spider things are.
What's that?
Ass crack. Nick looks like he's passionately hugging it.
That's actually what I am doing. I want one.
We're gonna just cut to after Nick is done making out with the razor, cutting those things off. The bumper stops you from pulling his face off and making it easier. Damn, that looks badass, dude. That looks super badass. So there's 3 screws in the back. Dude, those look so badass.
Those look way badass.
That's a lot of wiring.
What all is going on here?
No.
So, they're not the right ends, huh? They're not the right ends, are they?
This is for these, which is fine.
Yeah.
This is supposed to come off my stock headlights, which wasn't stock LEDs. Those are plugged into the back of the halogens.
Oh.
So how does that work?
So since they're halogens, they're a different setup?
I'm not sure. Jerry. What can I say, Jerry? Headlights on?
Oh, they work! They work!
Low, there you go, highs. Alright, kill it.
Oh my god. Alright, we gotta go over the redneck engineering that made this happen.
This is just a test. It ain't really redneck engineering. It's color coded. We just bypass, make sure it's gonna work.
Let's just
Whoa, we should have left that
we'll
on.
just tape those up, bud.
No, let's go outside for a second so we can at least see what they. Oh, gear.
I can just finish this.
Oh, because you're gonna splice
I'm gonna
it.
cut the motherfuckers now.
Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna cut these.
Yeah,
factories.
make them nice. And,
I'm gonna solder them.
yeah.
I'm going home. I can't handle
I'll good ride.
This is gonna be sweet.
I don't need to fuck with that there.
What?
Oh, dude, I wasn't recording the entire time. Oh well.
You weren't?
Dirt stickers. They're good, aren't they, Mac? They're good. Yeah, they are. All right, rigid pods. Here's the test. Let's see what they look like. Brighten the night, boys. Woo! That's kind of close.
Back in there.
It's back in there?
Yeah.
The way they're ran right now, because we had problems hooking them up, it's only highs.
Oh shit.
Mackers, come here.
Oh, what? Hey, oh, that's your light bar. Damn.
All right, dude. Now
So
you gotta
step
go
out of the
ripping
road
down
here.
the road.
The bat wing. Brr. There we go. Dude, damn, those look badass. There he goes. He's like Batman, he just disappears.
Off into the night.
Oh, they're nice, dude.
That is sweet.
Woo! Hell yeah! Fuck yeah, dude. Woo! This is what we needed.
Yeah, it is. Bud needed it.
Hell yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Dude, those things look so badass.
Yeah, dude, they look sick.
Oh my god, I gotta get a headshot of this thing. Yeah, it is. Turn off that light bar for a second. Actually, yeah, it looks sweeter with that thing on, dude. That light bar with it is badass.
Light bar with it, man. Like the package.
Turn that light bar on. Yeah, that thing is fucking sweet, dude. Light the night.
Yeah.
Brr. Whoa. Ah. My mailbox! Oi! That looks fun.
Yeah, it does.
Now you're gonna have a bunch of water piles, puddles from all the tires.
What? What'd you say? Water piles?
Water puddles.
Man.
Locking up the brakes, he just slides.
What do you think? Worth it?
I don't know if it's worth it. That's my money.
Yeah. What was the price on those? $650?
Yeah.
Bud, what's the price on those?
$650.
Yeah, $650.
They look. I mean, it doesn't.
Dude, they look so sweet, and with both of them on together,
These could be raised a little.
they look sick, dude. God damn, that looks sick.
That was fun.
Yeah.
I was about to jump in.
I still let you go for it. Try it.
Oh man, that was
Sweet.
all right. End of the rigid series. Beep bop. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, hit the bell, so you can know when we're hanging out or riding. We're headed to. They got whispers over here, dude.
We're just talking about what's coming up next.
Oh yeah, so you better stay tuned, boys.
It's a secret.